Alright guys, so this video is going to be about the time that I found her nudes. So at the time, me and this dude were together in a relationship. We're both Christians because I don't date, well, before I got married, obviously. I didn't date anybody unless they were Christians, right? Yeah, so you know, he was my boyfriend at the time, and I call no name because people are watching this know exactly whom I am referring to. So we're together for 2 years or 2.5 years, and I've never had any reason to think that he was cheating on me, ever. I know. Well, next man I give me a bunch story. I don't know what it is, man. I don't know what it is. But I had there was just nothing, no indication that he was cheating, nothing at all. We were really deep into each other's family as well, like, and into each other's lives. Like, we had each other's passwords for everything, for high five. Back then high five was the shiznit. For high five, for emails, we had everything, phone, everything. Nothing was left, like, as a secret in our relationship. So knowing everything, yo, it's blue though. Anyway, so knowing everything, you know, I was by my friend's house, right? We're having this sleepover thingy, which we normally do if I have like a big day tomorrow. We normally sleep over our friend's house. Everybody get ready from the one house and do what we for do. I'm live at Portmore, I'm friendly living in Kingston, and just be closer. So we slept over, and I just felt like checking his email. I didn't think I was going to find anything at all. I was like, oh, let me check so-and-so's email. I'm gonna call him I'm not give the name. So I'm gonna check so-and-so's email. So when I went in there, I saw this email, like a bunch of emails from this one email address, and I was like, the heck? So I went in and I saw like emails, like back and forth talking about movies that they enjoy. By the way, Notebook apparently is one of their favorite movies. And in the two leading characters, yeah, so she was the girl and he, my boyfriend at the time, was the guy. So I saw the emails, I was like, what the hell is this? And then I saw one with some pictures, and I clicked the attachment to open it up or whatever. Can you tell me why this girl was naked, sending my boyfriend at the time nude pictures? I remember like it was yesterday. She was in bobby socks. In Jamaica we call them bobby socks. They were like up to your calves, right? And she was in a short pleated skirt, no top on, and a hat on her head. Her back was turned to the camera, so her breasts weren't showing. She was topless. Now that's the only one I saw, and it just threw me over the edge. I was so pissed. Here I am thinking I'm the only one. We were planning on getting married. We had like the year set and everything to get married, because you know this was it as far as I'm concerned. So when I saw that, I got mad, and it was at the time that to the left that Beyonce song came out. I played that song so often, and did you know I went home and I packed all his stuff, because you know with the boyfriend them get like jacket if you call, my bun everything get bun. Me bun everything, my bun teddy bear, my bun key, my bun jacket, my bun every blood cleansing, everything get burnt to the ground, burnt in the flames. Yes, if it was Angela Bassett, and about with a cigarette. I was so upset. I felt stupid. I felt like, why did this keep on happening to me? Like everybody just like give me a bone, left, right, and center. So I felt, of course, stupid. So I'm confronting like a big bad girl, like I'm a sister. Me like for no. Why you this? No, it's not like that's not what you think. I don't like her, I don't diss her, I don't whatever. She just sent me those pictures. I don't know why she sent me those pictures. I know I confronted the girl before I confronted him, you know, through email. I was like, you know, I'm his girlfriend, and she kept on laughing. She kept on writing LOL, ha ha ha. She's like, she called him O. So she was like, oh and I are in love, oh and I are this, oh she just said ha ha ha, he told me about you, ha 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 ha. She just kept on laughing at me, and then I confronted myself, dog, what one for this, because I'm gonna understand off it because me and you there, I was planning for married and so, and then you have to tell me till my next girl said no my name woman, and some all kind of crazy or whatever. I never appreciate it. So of course my ball like an idiot, because I really thought that he was the one. I really thought that, you know, we were going to make it, we were going to get married and live happy. Of course I broke up with him, obviously, and you know he kept on saying it's not like that. It's not, even him friend them I said, yo Simone, you shouldn't go to the man email and this thing that you shouldn't go in there. And I'm like, nigga, are you serious? You really gonna confirm said right now, sir? I know someone give me one all along, and then I know it seemed like Simone and she not important to him, like you important, and that's how they played it off. Like she's just like this side girl, and like I'm the wife, and it's like I'm all that matters, and she's nothing, and she live a foreign anyway, so they're not gonna she live a foreign, and she was my color, int was not my color, int. And I felt stupid. I just felt stupid. So that's basically the time I found her nudes. I found my boyfriend's girlfriend's nude pictures. Yeah. But thank God I'm married now to a good blood cleanse man. Yeah, he put a ring on it. Yes, he put a ring on it. Baby in the belly, like boy, what in the belly? Yes, Ray. Yeah, that's basically it. If you want to see more story time videos, let me know. I have some written down, so I may film some more today. I'm not sure, but I have some written down though, some story time ideas. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video.